A lesson we should know in the English language. Grammar positive. Kasuni dances. Kasuni danced. Kasuni will dance. Kasuni is dancing. Kasuni was dancing. Kasuni will be dancing. Kasuni has danced. Kasuni had danced. Kasuni will have danced. Kasuni has been dancing. Kasuni had been dancing. Kasuni will have been dancing. Grammar negative. Kasuni don't dance. Kasuni didn't dance. Kasuni won't dance. Kasuni isn't dancing. Kasuni wasn't dancing. Kasuni won't be dancing. Kasuni hasn't danced. Kasuni hadn't danced. Kasuni won't have danced. Kasuni hasn't been dancing. Kasuni hadn't been dancing. Kasuni won't have been dancing. Am is are. I am happy to see you. She is studying for her exams. We are planning a trip for next month. Was and were. She was at the concert last night. He was the best player on the team. The children were playing in the yard. Where were you during the meeting? Has, have, and had. She has a beautiful garden filled with flowers. They have finished their homework on time. They had a wonderful vacation last summer. Has been, have been, and had been. She has been practicing piano every day. They have been to Paris twice this year. He had been feeling unwell before he went to the doctor. Thank you all for watching the video. See you again.